Are you having a persistent flickering screen on your Windows 11? Dive into this video where we'll guide you to fix this issue. Begin by identifying the cause of screen flickering on Windows 11. Launch Task Manager. Check if the Task Manager window or other elements on the screen flicker. If the Task Manager window flickers, the issue may be related to the graphics card, while flickering in other areas could be linked to apps. To uninstall an incompatible app, such as a third-party antivirus or any suspicious app you doubt, press Windows and I to open Settings. Navigate to Apps and go to Installed Apps. Select the app, click on the three dots icon, and choose Uninstall. Choose Uninstall again to confirm. Follow the on-screen instructions. After uninstallation, restart. If the flickering persists, try updating the graphics driver. Right-click the Start icon, choose Device Manager, and click on the arrow next to Display Adapter. Select the graphics driver and click on Update Driver. Follow the on-screen instructions. If an update is available, then proceed with the update to see if the issue is fixed. These fixes will bid farewell to that pesky flickering on Windows 11.